Hello everyone. Welcome to part 94 of SQL for Beginner series. In this video session, I am going to explain and practically demonstrate on how to use trim function for trimming the corner characters of the specified table values. So, in this video session, I am going to explain how to use trim function. How to use trim function for trimming that is removing the corner characters of the provided table column values. So in one of the previous videos, I explained about this trim function, and in that video I explained how to trim the spaces. For example, if a particular column, okay, table column is something like this, okay, like this. There is some space, 1 space, 2 space, 3 space, 4 space. Okay, there are some spaces here. Before the Arun text and after the Arun text, there are some spaces. With such kind of text, if you use trim function, then it will convert this Arun text having the spaces into normal Arun text. That is, the spaces which are there before the starting of the text and spaces which are there after the ending of the text will be trimmed. That is, they will be removed. So this will be converted to this one. Okay, this Arun having spaces will be converted to normal Arun using the trim function. So how to do that? I already explained as part of the previous videos. So in this video session, I am going to again use the same trim function, but this time I am going to trim the corner characters of the provided table column values. For example, if I am providing Arun, okay, if I am providing Arun, and if I say trim, that is A from Arun, trim A from Arun. If I provide something like this, what will be the result? Here, if this particular Arun text has any corner values like A, they will be trimmed, guys. So here the corner value is A, so A will be removed, and other side there is no A, so nothing will happen. So the result will be run. When you apply this trim A from Arun, A will be removed from the corners. So this is how, guys, we can use trim function for removing the corner characters of the provided table column values. Let's take some more examples. If I say what is that, Rana, okay, if I give something like Rana, if I say trim of A from Rana, what will happen? In this case, what will happen, guys? In this case, the corner character, if there is any corner character like A in this particular Rana text, that will be removed. So on the left side corner there is R, that means A is not the corner, so nothing will happen. On the right side corner we have A, so A will be removed. So what will be the result after trimming? It will be ran. Okay, A will be removed on the right side. Similarly, if I give some text like Aruna, okay, so Aruna has A in the beginning, A at the end. Corners are both A's. If I use trim function like this, trim A from Aruna, okay, trim A from Aruna if I use. So what will happen? In this case, in Aruna, A is in the corners. So both the A's will be removed from the left corner and right corner, and result will be run. Okay, result will be run. So this is how, guys, trim function, okay, can be used for removing the corner characters of the provided table column values. Here I have not provided any table column values. Okay, I just explained with the normal text. So similarly, if let's say there is a table having only one column. Let's say the table name is EMP1. EMP1 table name. The column name is only name. There are several names in this table. So the names like Arun, Varun, Nandan, Tarun. Okay, like this some names are there. So in this case, if I say trim function of character n from the column name is name, right? Name. So you should not give it's like name column. Here name is a column. So trim n character from name column. From which table? From emp1 table. Like this, if you have to give the syntax. If you run something like this, what will happen is, so this trim function, okay, this trim function will remove the corner characters, that is n, from this name column. For example, Arun is there, in that corner character is n, right side. So the result will be ARU. Similarly, here Varun is there, here the right side corner character is n. So n will be removed. So result will be Varu. Okay. Then Nandan is there. In Nandan, both the corner characters are n. Here n, here n. Left side, right side corners. Okay. So ADA will be the final value. So n and n will be removed by this trim. They will be trimmed. In Tarun, the last letter is n. Okay. The corner right side corner is n. That will be trimmed. That is removed. So the result will be Taru. Okay. Like this, guys. Okay. This is how when you apply the trim function, okay, to for removing the characters or trimming the characters from the column values, it will be like this. So now, guys, let me explain, okay, practically how to use this trim function in the SQL statements. So hope you understood the theoretical concepts here, and I gave some examples, but let's take all these examples into the practical format now. Okay. So for that, we have to open the workbench. Let's open the workbench, guys. The workbench will be opened. So the workbench got opened, guys. Let's connect to this MySQL server from this MySQL workbench client. The root is a password, guys. In one of the previous videos, I configured this MySQL client to give root as a password. Okay, so for MySQL server, I gave the root username and root password to connect. So fine. Now clear all this stuff. Let's say I'll also clear this, and so before doing any operations, I would like to drop all these columns, okay, all these tables. I would like to delete all these tables. I would like to work in a fresh manner. So this QFox database doesn't have any tables now. First, I will connect to this QFox database, guys, which I created as part of one of the previous videos. How to connect? Use QFox. Okay. How to select this QFox database? You have to say use QFox and run this. The QFox database will be selected. After the QFox database is selected, okay, now I need to create a table. How to create a table? Create table. So before creating a table, we'll do something, guys. Okay, so that is like what we can do is I will apply the trim with direct text. Okay, we can do that without a table also we can work. So if I say trim of A from Arun, like this we have to work. Put a semicolon. So here, what is the thing, guys? I have to say select, guys. Okay, select statement. Without select, it will not work. Select trim of A from Arun. What will happen, guys? What will be the result? Can you guess it? Yes, this A character will be removed from the corners. Here on the left side corner of this particular Arun text, A is there. So A will be removed. So what will be the resultant result of this select statement? Select trim of A from Arun. The remaining run will be retrieved. So run this. So RUN, A got removed from the left corner and remaining thing get come. Remaining text got displayed here. Now select trim of A from Rana. So what will be the result in this case? Here in Rana, the right side character is A. Right corner character is A. So A will be removed from the right corner character. Remaining will be retrieved. Run this. So ran. So first three letters ran and last corner got removed. Now the third one is select a trim of A from Aruna. Okay, A from Aruna. So here Aruna text. So in Aruna text, both the corners are A and A. A and A. So trim A from both the corners of Aruna. So what will be remaining? RUN will be remaining. When I run this, you will get the result as RUN. Like this, guys, we can use trim on the direct text. Now let's apply the trim on the column. Okay, table columns. For that, let's create a table. Create table EMP1. Only one column I am creating in this table, that is name column. Name varchar of 15. Name varchar of 15. So run this. Create table EMP1. Name varchar of 15. The table got created, guys. Refresh here. The table will appear here. And it has only one column. That is name column. Okay. Fine. Now let's insert the records into the EMP1 table. Insert into EMP1 values as first value I will insert as Arun. Okay. Now insert into EMP1 values as Varun. Then insert into EMP1 values as Nandan. That's it. Let's insert these 3 records. Run this. Or here we can give another name instead of Varun. We can give Naresh, so that all the examples will be covered. Run this. The 3 records got inserted into the table. How to find all these records? I have to say select star from EMP1. When I run this select star from EMP1, all the records from the EMP1 table will be displayed here like this. So here a name column is there. Under that Naresh, Nandan, Arun are there, right? That is Arun, Naresh and Nandan. Three values are there. Now let's apply select statement by saying trim of, select trim of, okay, n character. From which column? From which column? Only one column is there, so name column. Name. From which table? EMP1 table, like this. So n character, if it is available in the values of this name column, in the corners of the values of this name column, then that n will be removed. That is here n is there on the right side. Here n is there on the both sides in Nandan. Here n is there on the left side only. So all these corner n's will be removed if available from the EMP1 table. If I run this, once they are removed, they will be retrieved. Okay, like this. So ARU, instead of Naresh, ARESH, instead of Arun, we got ARU because n got removed here. Here the beginning n got removed. In case of Nandan, the beginning and ending n got removed. So guys, this is a temporary change, right? Just for retrieval purpose it is there. But in the original table, the values will be like the same. Okay. So this is only for getting the result by trimming and getting the results, guys. Okay. Nothing more than that. So guys, this is how we have to use trim function for trimming the corner characters of the specified table column values. Hope guys, you understood this session. Thank you guys. Bye.